This presentation about NDVI, presented by Mazen Alsheikh. Have you an idea about NDVI? If you're wondering exactly what it is and how it can help you, well, in this presentation I am going to explain exactly what is NDVI, how it can help you, and show you how calculated. NDVI is abbreviation of Normalized Difference Vegetation Index. NDVI is a tool for measure of state of plant health by measuring the amount of visible light and near infrared light that's reflected by plant. Plants take a strong amount of visible light through chlorophyll while reflecting near infrared light. Here in this chart we have a blue, green, red and near infrared. Healthy vegetation reflect high near infrared and low red reflection, and unhealthy vegetation reflect less near infrared and more red reflectance. That means the healthy vegetation have high near infrared reflectance and low red reflectance, and unhealthy vegetation have less near infrared reflectance and more red reflectance. Why is an NDVI important to you? By using NDVI, we can use an instant analysis for your field, which allow you to maximize your field yield potential. In about 20 to 25 minutes, we are able to fully scout 100 your field, and within that hour, we have a technology capable to provide your map which show you which portion of your field are underperforming and exactly what areas need to be addressed. We can use NDVI for monitoring drought and agriculture monitoring, forest fire, desert, and other application. How we calculate NDVI? NDVI calculated from -1 to 1. From -1 to 0 represent dead plant or inanimate object. From 0 to 0.33 represent unhealthy plant. From 0.33 to 0.66 represent moderately healthy plant. From 0.66 to 1 represent very healthy plant. To calculate NDVI, we have a formula or equation. The formula says NDVI is near infrared minus red over near infrared plus red. We can perform NDVI by a lot of software, but I will use QGIS software. After we opening the QGIS software, we need to add the data. I will use Landsat 8 image. Select the band 4 and band 5. Band 4 represent red and band 5 represent near infrared reflection. Go to raster calculator to write NDVI equation. Band 5 near infrared minus red band 4 over near infrared band 5 plus red band 4, and select output layer NDVI. Click OK. After done, zoom in the area of interest. Area of interest Khartoum Bahri. You can see the vegetation represented by light color, and the water bodies and built up areas represented by darker color. Now we need to click area of interest. Go to raster, extraction, Clip raster by mask layer. Select the NDVI layer and mask layer select shapefile. Shapefile covered the area of interest. I have one. And click run. Close. Now we need to make classification for this layer. Go to properties, typology. From render type select single band pseudo color and select the color ramp. I will choose this color ramp, and in mode select quantile and the number of classes. I think 5 classes is enough. Click OK. Now we can see the vegetation represented by green color, and the orange color represent built up area. The red color represent water bodies, and yellow color represent low vegetation or unhealthy vegetation. Now we need to label each class. Go to properties, typology, labels. Red represent water bodies, orange represent built up area and bare soil, yellow represent low vegetation, light green represent medium vegetation, and green represent high vegetation or healthy vegetation. Click OK. Now we need to make layout for this image or layer to be NDVI map. After I made layout for NDVI layer, this is my result. The reference of presentation. Thanks for watching.